What's up, you guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing a Robinhood stock trading review for all of you guys that might want to, try using this app out. So we've done a bunch of different videos with Robinhood, mainly because it's kind of a way to make money passively, and it's, very easy to use if you've never traded stocks before. Okay, so the app's actually from 2013, and as of right now, 2017, I think it's got like 2 to 5 million users somewhere in there. So a lot of people are using this. Anyways, I'm going to log into it. We're just going to, check out some of the positives. I'm going to also point out some of the negatives to using it. But basically, it's a free trading platform. So basically what that means is normally if you guys want to get into, buying stocks and stuff, you have to pay commissions for buying a stock. So for example, I've used Apple, and let's just do Tesla because it's trading for quite a bit, $356. Okay, so normally, like if you're on, we'll use eTrade as an example. If you wanted to buy a stock of Tesla, one share, for $356, you'd have to pay like a $12 fee to buy it, and then a $12 fee when you guys want to sell it. On Robinhood, you don't have to pay anything. Basically, this app is a free, no commission trading, stock app. I've, kind of gone through what people have said about it, but, actually after using it though, I don't have much money in it. I kind of take money in and out of it. The fact that, you don't have any commissions on here is awesome, because if you don't have a lot of money, like if you only have a couple $100, maybe $1,000 or a couple $1,000, this is a great place to, start, learning how to stock trade. For example, I've got this TMQ stock, which is 96 cents, and you never know if it'll go up or down, but, you can buy some really cheap stocks on here and just see if you can get lucky with it. I mean, that's what I'd recommend doing. I do want to show you guys some of the features on here. So like, let's look at Apple. Okay, so you can actually pull up charts for each stock you're looking at. You can do 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and then up to 5 years. So you can pull up the history of the pricing on each stock, which is really cool. You can hold your finger down over the stock to see where it was at any given time. You can see November 29th, 2013, Apple was at around $73. So you can kind of pull up some charting features on here. It's not very analytical. They also pull up news on, some stocks as well when you scroll down. There is actually some paid options for this app. I don't recommend using them. The way Robinhood makes money is that they have this thing called Robinhood Gold. It's for more, it's for people who are more serious about trading on here. You can get, pretty much more money without depositing. But you have to pay, interest on that at some point, and then you can trade over extended hours, and there's some benefits to it. I think that for anybody maybe who just wants to get into stock trading, this is going to be the best app. There's nothing out there that's no commission trading. This is like the only thing, which is why it's become so popular. It's kind of like a revolutionary thing, because, the people who made this app were, kind of wanted to get away from how things have been going for years with having to pay commissions. So, I mean, it is what it is. You're not going to get like a bunch of, really cool charting features that you might get on like an eTrade on here. But for the fact that there's no fees for using this, I think that's pretty awesome in itself. Another really cool thing about this is that they give you notifications on this app. This is something that's not talked about. So let's say, for example, you buy, a stock and it went up 5% for the day, and you had $1,000 in it, and you made $50 and you want to sell it. You'd get a notification from Robinhood telling you, you can see right here, GRPN is down. It tells you the stocks you own, how they're doing, without you having to like log in and check it out. It'll just give you an update on your phone, which is really cool. I mean, we don't have time to, be checking our stuff all the time, especially like when it comes to, finances is money. We get busy, but this will give you updates, constantly on how your stocks are doing, which is really cool. And that's just another really big reason why I like this app. So let's just talk about some of the benefits before I wrap this up. So I will have a link in the description for Robinhood, and you guys could check out a full article that we did on them. But, there's no commissions, which is huge. If you're not trading for a lot of money, I'd say anything like under $1,000 to $10,000. If commissions are a huge deal for you, then you definitely want to check this out. It's a good way to learn stock trading with relatively little money. So if you've never done it before, it's really easy. I mean, it's really easy to learn, the ropes on here, because you can trade with like $5 if you wanted to. And then the last reason I really like it is that it's user friendly. You guys can see the interface on this is really easy to use. You've got really easy charting features on here you can check out. They pull up a lot of the popular stocks on here, but you can pretty much look for anything. You can only buy stocks on here. You can't buy like bonds and mutual funds, but it is what it is. Like I said, it's free. You can't complain. So anyways, overall, I think Robinhood is definitely a must sign up for app. I think you should definitely put some money into it and check it out. It's a really cool way to learn stock trading, get into it. But even if you're like an experienced stock trader, if you've done it in the past, I still think you should definitely check it out, because there's no fees, which is awesome. So you could pretty much start building up some money on the side with trading and buying stocks, with relatively low money, which is really cool, because those fees really do eat you. I mean, anywhere from like $7 to $15 on like eTrades or any kind of site like that. So no commissions, which is awesome. So, I use Robinhood. I'll leave a link in the description for it for you guys to sign up, like I said. We'll have an article below too if you guys want to maybe like learn a little bit more about them. But really cool stuff. So hit that like and share button, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this yet, hit that subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.